Welcome to our YouTube video on Power BI, the ultimate tool for data visualization and analysis. In this content-packed video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the world of business intelligence, showing you how Power BI can empower you to make data-driven decisions with ease. I am Raj Sinha and you are watching Rajopedia. What is Power BI? Explore the fundamental concept of Power BI and how it fits into the world of business intelligence. Learn about the various components of Power BI, such as Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Getting started with Power BI step-by-step guide on how to download, install, and set up Power BI on your system. Discover how to connect Power BI to different data sources and import data for analysis. Creating visualization. Dive into the world of data visualization and understand the importance of effective visual representation. Master the creation of interactive and dynamic visuals, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables. Data transformation and modeling. Learn how to cleanse and transform data using Power Query Editor. Explore data modeling techniques to create relationships between different datasets and build robust data models. Advanced analytics with DAX. Discover the power of data analysis expressions, DAX, and its role in performing complex calculations and creating custom measures. Get hands-on experience with DAX functions and their practical applications. Building reports and dashboards. Create stunning and insightful reports using your data models. Learn how to design interactive dashboards that can be shared across your organization. Sharing and collaboration. Explore different sharing options in Power BI and how to collaborate with colleagues on shared reports and dashboards. Discover how to publish reports to the Power BI service and enable real-time data insights. Power BI best practices. Gain valuable tips and tricks to optimize your Power BI projects and ensure performance efficiency. Learn how to enhance the security of your data and reports. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power of Power BI, a game-changing tool that enables you to transform raw data into actionable insights. Whether you're a business professional, analyst, or data enthusiast, Power BI can revolutionize the way you interpret and present information. So, what are you waiting for? Start your data-driven journey with Power BI today and embark on a world of endless possibilities. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on data analytics and business intelligence tools. Happy visualizing!